So how can you mass delete contacts on the iPad? Let's get started. If you're new on Foxtecc, make sure you subscribe so you'll never miss anything important. Well, you need to open up your Contacts app as usual, right? And we don't really have the ability to edit or select multiple of the contacts, right? So for that, we need to use the gesture. So you're going to use two fingers and you're going to slide across your contacts with two fingers to select multiple of them, right? So that's how it works. For some reason, as I said, we don't have the edit button, but you can see that those contacts are selected. You can even scroll a bit more or just, add and select multiple of them and just hold down on any of the contacts. They will be put together like that, and you will have the ability to delete multiple of them and at the same time, so you don't have to manually swipe on each one to delete it, right? So that would be one way to do this. The other method would be by deleting the contacts accounts entirely by going to the settings apps section at the bottom, choosing contacts, and then when you go to the accounts, you can assign out or disable some of the contact accounts which you might have added, and that way you completely delete those which have been pertaining to that account. So that would be an even a faster approach to remove your contacts from the iPad. So let me know what you think below. Most definitely subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll talk to you later in the upcoming tutorials as well. So thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.